Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we had the first big Air Jordan release of 2025, and that's going to be the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats you can see on the screen. I didn't attempt to go for these things on the sneakers app or anything like that. It wasn't anything that I wanted to add to my personal collection, but I did end up securing the size 10.5 for one of my boys at Finish Line. So I'm gonna go pick them up, unbox these things for you guys. Won't be doing it on feet because they're not my size, and they probably not gonna even make it back to my crib. So I'm gonna try to do everything within this video, man. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it, and comment down below and let me know if this is a sneaker that you had to have. So I'm at the mall right now. I'm gonna go in, show you guys, I'll pick them up, and then we'll come back out and we'll unbox them. Let's do it. All right, so went over straight to the kids section. See him over here in the kids section. Didn't see him in the men's section, but I am picking up a man's pair. Not a bad sneaker, bro. But let's go ahead and pick up this pair. Y'all see what else sitting here, kids. Yeah, man. Go into your stores, bro. All right, y'all, so we got them in hand, as you guys can see right here. I'm gonna go to the car and try to unbox them for you guys, because I do have the person that's gonna be picking them up coming to meet me here. But as you guys can see, dude, it's kid size is sitting, man. So if you got somebody with small feet or a kid that, you know, hey, go into these stores and see what's sitting, man. And they're restocking. I'm gonna stop saying sitting. Shoes are being restocked constantly, man. So y'all go into your stores. But let's go ahead and take a look at this sneaker. All right, y'all. So as you guys can see right here, we do have a Jordan 3 box right here. Here's the size tag and all that stuff. Air Jordan 3 Retro, black, dark, charcoal, white. This is size 10.5. Retail was $200, man. We're going to open up this box. Up on the inside of the box is going to be that red packaging, elephant print paper. And then we have the shoes right here. Quality control sticker right there. But let me go ahead and take this sneaker out. And off rip, first impressions, this shoe is fire, bro. Like I can't lie. I like it. It's an all black 3. I like the different materials, the way they did the thing. I think it's been 18 years since we've seen this sneaker, but you have the patent leather along the toe box with the elephant print. I don't hear no complaints about this elephant print. It doesn't look bad. You have that suede nubuck upper. Not bad. It ain't the best suede or nubuck, but it's definitely not bad. Laces, I would definitely swap those out. I don't like those laces. I would just put black laces on, to be honest with you. You got the Jumpman logo on the back, and then on the bottom they did hit us with that Jordan in all white and just a black outsole. On the insole, on the inner side of the sneaker, it's the exact same thing right there. Sock liner all black, Jumpman logo in there. Metallic Jumpman on the top of the tongue right there, kind of like a grayish black, smoke gray. But as you guys can see, man, it's definitely not a bad sneaker. I do think that depending on the area, this shoe will be sitting, depending on the area that you're in. Let me know down in the comment section, what do y'all think? Again, I don't think this is gonna, a lot of people were kind of afraid. They thought this sneaker is gonna have the effect of the Black Cat 4s, where it's gonna sit and skyrocket and people are just gonna buy because of that. I think it's gonna be restocks and stuff, so I don't think that's gonna be the case. But as you can see, the elephant print on the back is not bad on these sneakers at all. A little bit of glue marks and stuff like that on this one, but nothing too crazy. It's an all black sneaker, so you're gonna expect some type of glue marks to be seen. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions? This is a must cop for you guys on the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. Let me know down in the comment section. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the